looks good too. Let's take a gold.
Damn, that candle's going off right now.
Yeah, let's see something. Let's see if we can catch something on gold. I know I usually don't just get in here and just jump, but the market did just open.
Go for like a little gain.
Just usually up to this previous one right here. This is just a small. I'm not risking that much on this one. Now this one looks like it could be selling a lot. Just depends on the price action. If it breaks this, I might look for an entry. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Let's see. Now these I try to at least double my money, but never know. Oh, my shirt's backwards.
I'll put my shirt on backwards. That's how you know it's early. Yeah, half asleep. Shit. My brother just left with dentist appointment. So, see what we can do in the market. See if we can get a 1 a tree, 1 a 2. Let's see. Take profits at 1 a tree. Damn, I showed you guys that. It's all good. I don't keep all my money in my account. So, I recently just started with this account. So we got 3 contracts on this gold or NAS. 2 contracts for the TP. So we got a runner, and then we got gold. Looks like it's going into profit. So we did take 1 gold trade. This one is probably break even right now. But this one we're looking for just to this next high. About a 1 and 2. About. So, since we are taking 2 trades, we do not need a 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 4. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? We just try to get our money and get out. So, we will see. And as you can see, they're both in profit. So we're using low risk today. Low risk on Fridays. That's what's been helping me a lot.
low risk on Fridays. Because Fridays, a lot of people they want to end, you know what I'm saying? You want to end the week on a good note. You want to have that withdrawal. You want to, what I'm saying, get that payout. But Fridays used to just fuck me up. Fuck up all my profits. So, Fridays, low risk, few trades. That's it. And we'll keep it that way. And we'll just see the, we'll just watch price action for now. Yeah. And, I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna move this up because it's actually going up pretty fast. I'm gonna move this to a 1 to 3. That is our average. Okay. And boom. And we will see. Yeah, I wanted to take out these previous highs over here. Okay. We will see, man. Nas is melting. We should definitely be able to hit that 1 to 2. The only reason I'm going for strictly, okay, so the reason why I'm not going for a 1 to 3 on Nas right here, instead of the 1 to 3 like I am on gold, is because this Nas, as you can see, it has a kind of a wider stop loss, right? I have this at the top of this previous candle. It's 48, as you can see. 48 pips, 48, whatever you want to call it. And typically my average for a tighter stop loss on Nas is 25 to 35. You know what I'm saying? So 48 is kind of like, it's kind of a wider, bigger type of stop loss. So the risk to reward is not going to be as high. So a 1 to 2 may be the same as a 1 to 3 if you have almost half this stop loss, or a third of it. So I'm going to keep it at a 1 to 2. You don't need too much. And no, I'm not moving my stop losses to break even. Unless I'm at a 1 to 3 already, I'm not moving my stop loss to break even. We're on the 5 minute. A lot of traders fail to you know what I'm saying, remember that. And, you know, and maybe that's part of their trading plan, but for me, nah. I used to trade strictly the hour, US 30 minute. Nah. No emotions in this shit. If it comes into my stop loss zone, whatever. But the only time I'm trailing my stop loss is if I'm well beyond a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, like the price action is moving, you know what I'm saying? If the price action is price actioning, then I'll trail. But other than that, I will not move my stop loss unless my risk is to a point where I want to minimize that loss and it's clearly losing, and it's a risk that's not light risk. If these come and hit stop loss, I'm not worried about that. Now, if my stop loss were tighter here on Nas, would I have already hit TP for a 1 or 2? Probably. But I mean, let's see. Yeah. I mean, TP's not that far. I think we can hit it, guys. I do think it has more to sell before even reversing and, you know what I'm saying, hitting any of these demand zones down here. man. Come on, baby. Let's hit that TP, man. And I'm the type. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm the type nigga. I will wait for that TP. I'm not closing early. I've let trades come all the way down to break 1-to-1 before manually closing out or break even. I will wait till that TP hit. I do not care. There's no emotions in this shit. You gotta know. You gotta know the work you put in. You gotta know what you're capable of, and you have to know the markets. And I know gold. Gold do be going. Gold be going. So, yeah. I literally just had a gold trade the other day. Come up about a 1-to-1, a little more than a 1-to-1, and come back down, break my stop loss. But yes, I did move my stop loss because I knew that at that time it was going to be a loss by the way the markets were moving. Hit the road, Jack. Now don't you come back and no. Look at that. You guys see this? Just hit the TP, man. For a brother. And we just hit TP in gold. Wow. Beautiful trade. Wow. 15-minute trade. Maybe 20 minutes. Beautiful. 1-to-3. Not exact though, because I didn't exactly get in right here. So that's great. Now we see what's up with this profit or this Nas trade. Fib. It's my old fib thing right here. If I were to use my fib, right? It already came and hit the 50. But the targeted or average entry zone for reversals on fib right here I have marked up as 70% to 63, which is a great area for entries and executions. Now I don't use this fib anymore. Obviously, he's got the Kobe Bryant colors, you know what I'm saying, Kobe 8. But if I were to, I would want price to at least come back down into this zone, and my TP is well before that. So we're just gonna wait. This might be a minor L. Now, if this comes back down to break even, which I don't know, because Nas be acting different. I'm gonna take the, was that 80 bucks? Oh, now it wants to start going down. Right. Now it wants to start going down, right? Right. 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 Well, I don't care. I'm taking that loss. And I'm being done trading for the day. Wanna know why? Because I just closed. I damn near 1-to-3 on my gold. And I want to keep those profits. I don't want Nas to take away some of those profits, which it already did. but obviously I wasn't patient enough. I could have closed that break even, but or just waited. But with Nas, you just gotta wait sometimes. 536. And $95 loss on Nas. Okay. Now, we could have just waited on Nas. I've been losing to Nas the past couple months. And I'm trying to take the fewest amount of trades on Nas, or at least just kind of take it slow on Nas. You know what I'm saying? Just because some days Nas is not nice to me. So today I'm gonna choose to not give much love to Nas. We already took our W on gold, guys. So nonetheless, it's a good day. It's a winning day. We still made profit. So that's amazing. And we live to trade another day. So I will see you guys next week. Next week, probably Wednesday or Thursday. Typically I only trade. I'm gonna turn my light back on. Typically I only trade 2-3 days a week. That's what works for me. 2-3 days. That's how I was able to come profitable, and it's just what works for me. I feel like when I trade less days out the week, it gives me less chance for error. You know what I'm saying? If I'm trading 4 days a week, that's 4 or 5 days I can take a loss, even if I'm trading one trade a day. So 2 to 3 days, that's where I started seeing profitability for me. Not everybody's the same, you know. Some people see more days as more of an opportunity, but for me, no sir, it doesn't work with my psychology. So I take 1 to 2 trades each day, 2 to 3 days a week. I don't know. That might be something that can help some of you guys, but you just gotta trial and error, figure out your own swag, add your own mix to things. Now, I might do a video getting more into my strategy. I haven't really told anybody what my strategy is, but essentially it's supply and demand, price action based. My candlesticks I got from Juvier Gems, if some of you guys know him. Hikinachi. I mean, these candles are great for price action. They show you the actual average, and the way they are formed is somewhat less fake outs than just the normal candlesticks. But I have a mix of kind of his use of Hikinachi, you know, my strategy, and then supply and demand I learned from Doyle. So my strategy is a mix of everything, and then the way I use my stop losses, I trail, I risk reward 1 to 2 to 1 to 3. Doyle doesn't go to 1 to 3s every trade. I target 1 to 3s every trade. That's part of my own style, you know what I'm saying? So when you guys become profitable, you need to have your own type of style. You can take bits in here from different people here and there. So I feel like my style is like a mix of like Q Banks. He tends to target like higher risk rewards, maybe even roll. Supply and demand, that's like from Doyle, and then my Hikinachi from Juvier. So yeah, man, you guys can never just copy and paste certain things in life. You know what I'm saying? There's never gonna be a new Kai Cenat. There's never gonna be a new Speed. There's never gonna be a new Elon Musk. So if you want to be the best at what you do, you have to learn from the best first, and then you have to kind of make your own swag with it, add your own swag to it. So yeah, man. that's it for the day for me, y'all. Not too much, but if you guys have any questions, comments, leave it in the comments here. And I'm gonna catch you guys next week. Hey, gang. Okay, hold on. Let me redo that. Hold on, I'm taking my coffee. Y'all see Nas coming back up though, right? Y'all see that though, right? Looks like it's reversing though, right? It could be, but who knows, whatever. Anyways, y'all, Kobe 8 here, feeling great here. Love y'all, man. Peace, positivity. I'm gonna catch y'all next week. Yeah.